Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure contacts are actually in iCloud. This avoids partial exports. Once that is on, use a desktop browser to sign into iCloud. Com and open contacts. Select the full set you want synced, then export a single vCard, VCF. Do this now so you have one complete file. It's the bridge between iPhone and Android. Make sure the vCard contains phone numbers and emails. If not, fix entries on the iPhone before moving on. Next, import the vCard into your Google account because Android pulls contacts from Google by default. Open Contacts. Google. Com while signed into the Google account you'll use on Android, then choose Import and pick the VCF file you exported. Google will process entries. Once done, use Merge and Fix to combine duplicates and assign labels to keep things organized. This stage resolves formatting differences, so phone numbers and emails map correctly. Finally, add the same Google account to your Android device and enable Contacts Sync. The phone will pull the newly imported Google contacts automatically. Open the Contacts app and check several entries to confirm phone numbers, emails, and labels transferred correctly. If something's off, make sure Sync is enabled and active. Toggle Sync, check network connection, and clear the Google Contacts app cache. If contacts still don't appear, re-import the vCard into Google after fixing any errors, and force a fresh sync on the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.